Civil Media.
Добър ден, почитувани представници на политическите партии.
Dear representatives of political parties, dear representatives of the NGO sector, dear friends, allow me, before I share with you the ideas of the Civic Democratic Union on the topic that we are discussing here today, to congratulate Jabir and the others from Civil on their persistent upsetting of the shaking the boat of the Macedonian society that is asleep. And I'm hoping this will continue in the future. Civic Democratic Union in its brief existence is stressing the election reforms because it sees them as a necessary tool to establish efficient and representative democracy. From a technical aspect, GDU is favoring the idea of one election district with open list and reducing the number of MPs in the national parliament. I believe that open candidacy list will present the democratic diversity, which is the core, which is the fundament of a democratic expression in a country that presents itself as a representative democracy. Further on, this rationalization should be seen and applied also for the local self-government. Regarding the number of council members in municipal councils. As an illustration, number of council members in Skopje is 45. In New York, it is 50. I will come back to these illogical solutions in the existing legislation. I will briefly share the effects that we see. They go into two directions. First, Macedonia will receive functional representative whole, being based not just on legality and legitimacy, but also on the belief that it has more capacity to, that it has legitimacy to pass laws. And this will contribute to democratizations, and this will give rise to competition in them. And this will be part of the political public. They will not operate as secret and closed associations. And few more words on technical issues, ostensibly technical issues. GDU, Civic Democratic Union, is also foreseeing census, a progressive census, which means that a census for one political party. So I believe he means threshold. Threshold for a coalition of 3 or more parties is higher than a threshold for 2 party coalition. And true test of trust or mistrust in all political parties should be a possibility, a ballot presenting the option no one of the aforementioned, and I think that this should be an instrument of general confidence of voters into the election process and also due to financial fair play. For GDU and for others, the election is already decided when 2 or more gigantic coalitions come to play, supported by their millions in property and even bigger and richer countries than Macedonia could only envy such budgets. We from the GDU are championing active registration of citizens as a model that will once and for all close the issue of reliability of voters' list. I believe that if the discussions make an impression on general Macedonian public and the change of the election model is accepted as an imperative, in that case the issue of potential election fraud, financing and financial operation of political parties, and the role of the media will be absolved with much higher quality and better in the interest of Macedonian citizens. When the GDU presented its views drawing on the experiences, we tried to see the interests of the society and of democracy at the front and not so much the narrow party interests. So most of the views at this stage might not be acceptable, But seeing that many EU countries have this experience already and ways in which this process was transformed, if we take this into consideration, our country will need to implement such models. Thank you for your attention.